This is Saralpara place of Kokrajhar district. It is a picnic spot of Saralpara. Very beautiful mountains is standing beside the Saralpara picnic spot. So charmful and handsome and beautiful to look. The natural beauty is very beautiful. Very beautiful river it is. Ultafani river of Saralpara of Kokrajhar district. It is a picnic spot of Saralpara. The water is flowing with very speedity and with very surprisingly because of the rainfall in the mountain of Bhutan. Very beautiful river, very beautiful water is blowing through this Ultafani river of Kokrajhar district, Saralpara picnic spot. I am also today present at this place due to our college excursion cum research activities. Saralpara Ultafani river it is under Kokrajhar district.